Let's try to fix my clapped ass G35. All right, so I already dug into this with one of my other friends here, and I can not get the car to start. It crank, no starts all day long. I replaced a VVTi sensor and connector, and I think I might have shorted something out, and I blew a fuse right up here, and I replaced it, and ever since then, no crank, no start. So I checked wiring on my VVTi sensors and cam sensors. It's all good. I figured out I'm not getting spark. I tested power to my plugs and coils, and I got power. My coils are good. My plugs are good. So I can't figure out why this thing won't start, other than maybe a potential ECU issue. So I'm going to send it in to the ECU pros and see if they can help me out. It's literally driving me crazy not being able to drive the drift car, and it's literally drift season in like 2 weeks. So hopefully we can get this turned around quick and make it. I also hope to get a headlight before then, because I hate this carbon fiber on here, and then just the cracked lens, and it doesn't even work. So hopefully we can get this thing a little unclapped, hopefully. But yeah, it's got the 350Z coupe seats in it. I really like them. They're kind of clapped, but like, I don't know, it fits the car. The car's freaking clapped. All right, so under the passenger side glove box here is the ECU. So I'm gonna get under there. You just need two 10 millimeters of deep and a shallow to get the two bracket bolts out, and then we can rip it out. All right, so it only took like 5 minutes. I got it out, so now I can ship it off to ECU Pro. Hopefully this is the problem, bro, because if it's not, I'm just gonna be throwing money in the gutter for these guys to test it to be all good.
Like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please?